Okay, hi everybody. We're in week 4 of this class, and we are going to be talking about hotel math fundamentals as part of your CHIA exam preparation process. So you'll be going through that just like you've done previously, or like you did this past week, and with a couple of exceptions here. Now, I have managed to get the quiz, the practice quiz that was on the PowerPoint slides. I've put them into Blackboard, so you can take that. There is no limit to how many times you can take it or how many attempts you make. It will all be, it'll be there. So you should get 50 out of 50 points on these quizzes. I put last week's quiz there. It's still available, so you can get the points for that and this week. And I think it'll do you very good if you go through those quizzes. If you need to go through them again, please do. Like I said, it's unlimited, the amount of time that you can go through it. Now, if you're looking at Blackboard to your left under, and let me pull it up on mine here. Yeah, of course my mouse doesn't work. Okay, if you pull it up, there is a section on the left, CHIA PowerPoint Slides, Exercises and Instructions. You click on that. Down at the very bottom, there's CHIA Slides and Practice Exam. There is a Practice Exam PDF there that you can take a look at. I'll see, within the next week or two, I'll see if I can get it on Blackboard so you can actually take that, and we'll give you some credit for that as well. There's also the answer key, which should help you. That will give you an idea of what kind of test is coming up, okay? Now, one of the questions that I have received from you guys on the discussion board was, how do you prepare for this? Well, like I've been saying, go through all the slides at least 3 times. Make sure you understand the concepts. Then go through the application exercises at the end. All right, those will dive into the concepts and put them in real terms that you can use out in the working world, if you will, but it's also a very good exercise because it wraps everything together. So take a look at the application exercises at the end. I found that most students respond to that a lot better, and that has helped them prepare for ultimate success with the exam. Now, like I said, the quizzes are now on Blackboard, unlimited attempts. When are you going to take the exam? Now, that week, I have allocated a whole week to where we can take the exam. I know I mentioned before that I'm going to give you 2 or 3 different opportunities, buckets or time slots during that week. I would like you to send me an email, and I'll put this in an announcement as well, letting me know times that you cannot take this exam for work or whatever else during that week. Because if you've got some hard stops, I want to make sure we try our very best to work around that, so I can, again, give you the best opportunity to succeed on this and take it when you're going to be best prepared. So shoot me an email if you think about that, of when you cannot. But if you're open, you don't have to, if it doesn't matter, you don't have to send me an email. Anyhow, hope that makes sense. Somebody asked about the grading, if it was required to pass this test to pass the class. If you go into your syllabus, it states exactly how we're grading this and what the point allocation is on this exam. How many people do retakes? Nationwide, about 40%, just under 40% do retakes. Mine is a heck of a lot better. Most of my students who have paid attention to what I'm telling you to do and have studied the way I'm telling you to do have done quite well. So 20% have had to retake the exam. And what I find is those who have to retake the exam are the ones that waited to the last minute, did not cover all the materials, and basically didn't study for it or didn't work for it. So, and that's an extra cost, it's an extra time, so on and so forth. And it doesn't help your grade either. So make sure you're doing what I'm telling you to do each week. And let's see. Ways to be successful, application exercises, quizzes, application exercises and the quizzes. And like I said, go back to that the CHIA practice exam. So that about wraps it up. If you guys have any questions at all, you know how to reach me. I really do appreciate your questions and the interaction we have. Anyhow, have a great week. Thanks.